Alright, so you're welcome to the Diary of Teacher Olumide once again. Alright, so in today's class, we have this question to solve. So it's a logarithmic question. So we've been asked to simplify log 27 base 3 minus log 64 base 1/4 and log 1 over 81 base 3. Right, so what we are going to do is we try to simplify each term, and as we simplify, we would obviously see what can be done. So from this first one, we can simplify 27 to be the same as 3 raised to the power of 3. So 3 raised to the power of 3 is indicative of 3 multiplied in 3 places minus log. Now 1 over 4 is the same as 4 raised to power minus 1. If you remember from some of the laws of indices, if I have 1 over a, it is the same as a raised to the power of negative 1. Since the power of a here is 1, it can always turn to this. We can always do this interchangeably. Alright, so 64, we can change 64 as well to 4 raised to the power of 3 all over. I can change this to log base 3. 1 over 81 will be the same as 81 raised to the power of negative 1. Alright, so from here now, we can then begin to break it further and just say this is the same. This power here, if you remember from one of the laws of in this logarithm, if you have log a raised to the power of m, the law states that this is the same as m log a. So using that context here, that means this is the same as 3 log 3 base 3 minus, now this 3 that is here is also going to come, that's 3. But another part is anytime a base is carrying a power, when it wants to come to the back, so for instance, the same way this m came here and became m is the same way if you have, let's say, log a b raised to the power of m. This base, since it's carrying a power, the power can also come to this place, but it will come in an inverse way. So what's the inverse of m? It's going to be 1 over m log a base b. Alright, so that being said, this negative 1, if it comes here, the inverse of negative 1 is still going to be negative 1. So let's just say times negative 1. So we have log 4 base 4 over this negative 1, it comes to the back. We have negative 1 log. Now 81 can simply also be written as 3 raised to the power of 4. Now having done that, so we can proceed as follows. So we can say this is equals to, now log 3 base 3, from the law of logarithm, log a base a is equals to 1. So that means log 3 base 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is going to be 3. Negative 3 times negative 1 is going to give you positive 3. Log 4 base 4 is going to give you 1 over, now this 4 is also going to come to the back, so that's negative 1 times 4. Then you have log 3 base 3, and this is eventually going to give you 6 over negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Log 3 base 3 is 1. So this is the same as negative 2 can go 3 over 2. That is the answer. Thank you for joining up in the class. God bless you.